Hello from Antigua and Barbuda, and I am on my way to Waters, secluded beach that's located like right in the middle of nowhere. And I am passing by now some kind of a posh neighborhood with uh, with fancy cars. That's a lot better compared to the houses I have seen at St. John's, and it's quite nice. Up on the hill, as I was walking up from Dickinson Bay, that is. I have now only 2 hours and 20 minutes until we need to be on the cruise ship back. As today we are at Antigua and we have 7 hours and 20 minutes in total today. And I wanted to visit as many beaches as possible. So far I visited 3, but I really want to visit this spot, Blue Waters, because it sounded very interesting. And now the road seems to be ending here, or I'm not really sure. Let's see if I can find the road, if there is a road. Where is the road? There's the road, and there is currently 1.6 kilometers left to get there. But this looks like a very sketchy road. What did I put myself into? Let's see. Oh, the dogs are barking. The dogs are barking. Hopefully I'm on the right way. Yes, I think so. Pretty much. Yeah, now that's the way. Let's continue, and I will need to run now because to make it back to the cruise ship on time. So let's go run. And it looks like a very sketchy place, this one, and it stinks. There was a dead dog that was passing by. What did I turn myself into? Lizards everywhere. This is gonna be fun. Alright, actually there was a normal road that I could have taken. Why did I choose this shortcut? I don't understand. Oh well, now I just need to go with the flow. Should have taken the normal road. A very jungle feeling over here, indeed. Yes, that's me, in case you're wondering if I'm really walking through this jungle. Not sure if they have some wild animals here on the island. We'll see, we'll find out. But this is a real adventure, for sure. idea where the road is, so I'm just trying to find a way out. Let's see. Let's see. I think this is an actual road. I should report this to Google. Where should I go now? A bit more further. Oh my god, this is... What did I got myself into? Oh my, this is the worst. I think it's better to go back or just continue. I think I'm gonna get some bruises. No, I don't think this is the road. I will need to go back now. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my. It's gonna be fun now. Oh boy. I will be late for the cruise ship. And this is so painful with this pointy dots. Just well. This was a mistake. Will I ever get out of this alive is the question. Alright, let's see if I'm on the right track back. Yeah, I'm so sweating. I have been now. I would have bruises from all the thorns I have intercepted. And I don't even think it's a very good beach that I'm going to, actually, to be fair. But I think since I really came this way, it's better just to check it out. But this detour will cost me a lot of time. A lot of time. Oh! Why would they put a road like this on Google Maps? I don't understand. I'm so sweating right now. Just look at this. Is this a road? I don't think this is a road. So, moral of the story, don't trust Google Maps. And when you see like a larger road, take that one instead. Because now I have like bruises everywhere from this venture, and I should have turned back earlier to the other road. Hopefully that's better. There we go. So technically I would have saved like 5 meters with this road, but yeah, I made out alive anyways. So the other road is right straight, so let's continue. So this was the road I was talking about, that is the straight road. And now, since we lost some time, we need to run 1 kilometer and something left, I believe. 1.2 kilometers. So let's go fast. Alright, I'm sweating like crazy. Time is ticking. I need to be on the ship in 2 hours and 8 minutes. Now I'm getting close to the blue waters, but then I need to run back. And it's uphill first and downhill. And let's see how far we have. But I'm in the middle of nowhere and anything can happen in this type of areas. So let's just continue. This is the coral way. Apparently nothing is coral about this road, just spooky. Spooky indeed. Let's see. I think we are getting closer as I have been descending now a bit. I hear sounds coming from both sides of the forest. Let's see if we will encounter some animals. I saw earlier like a beaver or something like similar. I'm not sure. An otter maybe? At the garbage. There was a sign that says, "Do not dump, you're on camera." Beach Adventures with Chris. We explore remote locations like this one. Make sure to tune in on my channel for more beach adventures that are coming. This looks like a very long road, but I think we are getting there. I think we are getting there. The bird scared me. There's a lamp for sale here at auction. I would not want to live here. It's so spooky. And there is nobody on the road at all. Let's see if there's gonna be somebody on the beach. I wonder. I guess people are coming to the beach by boat. Only the enthusiasts like me do adventures like this one. Getting very, very close. 200 meters left. Now this was an adventure for sure that I will never forget if I come out alive with this. You never know what you're gonna stop by on the road. Then I realized I need to run all the way back to the port, which is at least 7 kilometers, I think. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Fun, fun, fun. And yes, let's see if it was worth the danger and adventure to get here. Let's see. Let's see. Blue Waters Beach. Oh wow. Very nice. And I'm all alone on the whole beach. Isn't it amazing? Wow. Just wow. Beautiful. Now let's get ready for some swim. As time is ticking, let's enjoy it. At least half an hour here before I head back to the port and the ship. Woohoo! I made it to Blue Waters Beach.